સંધાન ઓલ ગુજરાત ઇન્ટિગ્રેટેડ ક્લાસરૂમ
સેટેલાઇટના માધ્યમથી જોડતી કડી એટલે સંધાન.
ગુડ ઇવનિંગ ફ્રેન્ડ્સ, સંધાન બાય સેગની લેક્ચર સિરીઝમાં આપનું સ્વાગત છે. અહીંયા સ્ટુડિયોમાં મારી સાથે સાયન્સ કોલેજના અધ્યાપકો અહીંયા બેઠા છે. હું પોતે ડૉક્ટર MB ઠાકર, MG સાયન્સ ઇન્સ્ટિટ્યૂટમાં સ્ટેટિસ્ટિક્સમાં પ્રોફેસર છું. મારી જમણી બાજુ છે પ્રોફેસર BB ભાદોરિયા સાહેબ, જે સેન્ટ ઝેવિયર્સ કોલેજમાં સ્ટેટિસ્ટિક્સના પ્રોફેસર છે, અને ડાબી બાજુ છે ડૉક્ટર RD ચૌધરી, એ પણ મારી સાથે MG સાયન્સ ઇન્સ્ટિટ્યૂટમાં જ પ્રોફેસર છે. મિત્રો, આપણે સ્ટેટિસ્ટિક્સ વિશે અહીંયા વાત કરવાની છે. વાતચીત શરૂ કરીએ તે પહેલાં મારી એક નમ્ર વિનંતી છે, જો આપમાંથી કોઈ પણ આ લેક્ચર અત્યારે જો સાંભળી રહ્યા હો તો અમારી સાથે એક વખત ફોન પર વાત કરી લો, કે જેથી અમને એક કોમ્યુનિકેશન માટે પણ થોડીક સરળતા રહે. જો આટલું કરશો તો નંબર તમારા ડિસ્પ્લે ઉપર આવી રહ્યો છે, તો એ નંબર નોંધ કરી અને તમે ટેલિફોન કરો તો અમને પણ ખ્યાલ આવે કે આપ લેક્ચર સાંભળી રહ્યા છો. Well, so today we are going to discuss about something about, first thing is the importance of statistics, and then we will see what that is introductory part of the statistics. Importance, Bhaduria Sahib, એક વસ્તુ છે કે statistics is a very important, as we are all discussing, but actual importance શું છે અને ક્યાં છે, તો એના વિશે આપણે ચર્ચા કરીએ. તો what is that means why it is important, અને એના વિશે આપ થોડોક પ્રકાશ કંઈક પાડો તો આપણે સાથે સાથે શરૂઆત પણ કરી શકીએ.
So yes, before we go for describing the importance of statistics, we would better tell something about what the statistics is.
Yes, sir.
So importance of statistics we'll definitely discuss, but first we would like to say what the statistics is and how it started. So little historic background of the subject and the at present where and how the statistics as a subject stands. So as the name statistics, it's derived from the word which all means common the political state. So the statistics is from state as such, so something related to the kings, like. So in very old days, these kings and the higher administrator, they used to keep records, and from that the statistics get originated, and so the name statistics came in.
I think that is why early days it was said that it is a science of kings.
Right, yes. Yeah.
Because only kings were using statistics.
Yeah,
so that means they keep the data and records for the future analysis, future decisions.
Exactly.
Right.
So that is how the subject originated from the state affairs, like from the something which state's affair should require. So historically in our Indian background, so in the days of 300 before Christ even, so in the days of Akbars and all, they used to keep very good record of the people they were governed. Their idea was they had two aims. They wanted to know, or they wanted to keep up-to-date information regarding the manpower which they could use for their military purposes, and they could use for other like improvement works and all. And secondly, they used to keep the records regarding their richness, how wealthy they are, so how much taxes they should impose. So these were the basic concerns of all those kings and all. So they used to keep this statistics, and from there the name statistics came in.
Correct. Very good, sir.
So that is the origin of.
That is the origin of statistics.
Yes.
So that means we can say that statistics is related with data.
Yeah, exactly.
Some kind of information if we have, if we keep the record or the information regarding any kind of process, then it is important. Say for example, on the screen if you can see, what is statistics? Statistics is the science of learning from data. The number 10.5, for example, carries no information by itself. But if we hear that the friend's newborn baby weighs 10.5 pounds at birth, we congratulate her on the healthy size of the child. The context make the number of informative. એટલે ચૌધરી સાહેબ આમાં પણ આપણે પ્રકાશ પાડી શકીએ વધારે.
એટલે એમાં એવું છે કે when we think about data, so when some context is associated with data, then it becomes meaningful.
Meaningful.
When we say 90, so 90 has no meaning. But when we say the mark scored by the student is 90%, so that 90% mark, so it makes some sense. So that means here the number is simply the information. But if we associate some context to that number,
સાહેબ
then it
અમરેલીથી
becomes
ફોન આવી રહ્યો
meaningful.
છે. હાજી.
So in this example, here for example, simply when we say 10.5, so 10.5 has no meaning. But when we say a friend's newborn baby weight 10.5 pounds, so obviously that 10.5 pounds is a pound is a weight, that is weight of healthy baby, right? So that means here the informative number with some context,
Yes.
it becomes meaningful.
Meaningful.
Right?
But here
So-
one thing I would like surely to add, like
હા સાહેબ ફોન આવ્યો છે અમરેલીથી. હા કંઈક અવાજમાં
હા
ખામી.
સર અમરેલી જિલ્લામાંથી મળી રહ્યો હા અત્યારના બાળકો સાયન્સમાં ક્યાં માટે નથી જતા
એ તો અમારો પણ પ્રશ્ન છે.
શું કહ્યું?
અત્યારના બાળકો સાયન્સમાં શા માટે નથી જતા?
હા હા તમારે ટીવીને અવાજ ધીમે રાખો. Okay, so I
Okay,
want
so here in this case it means simply the statistic is nothing but science of learning from data. So
That's
whatever
it.
the information we have, so that information we utilize for some purpose. Like earlier Professor Baduria told us about that kings.
Yeah.
So they keep records. So they keep records of their population so that they can collect the taxes accordingly, right? They can plan for the future, right? So these are some examples where it is useful.
એટલે બજેટ પ્લાનિંગમાં પણ આપણે સ્ટેટિસ્ટિક્સનો યુઝફુલ થઈ શકે છે
Right, yeah.
કે ભાઈ આ વર્ષે આટલું બજેટ હતું, આટલો ખર્ચ થયો, તો આવતા વર્ષ માટે આપણે કેટલું બજેટ કઈ જગ્યાએ ફાળવવું જોઈએ, તો એમાં પણ સ્ટેટિસ્ટિક્સ વાપરી શકાય છે.
so here I wanted to add that point. That phone interrupted me. Like here very nicely it says 10.5 is number which has no context, so it is dead number in a way.
Yes, yes.
Correct.
Then it improved to 10.5 pounds. So and the baby weighed 10.5 pounds.
Yeah.
So there the context comes in, and this context makes the number informative. Now, but here at this stage the thing doesn't step.
Yes.
Our subject will go one step
Beyond
beyond
that.
this.
Yes,
Beyond is that if you have this much information only, then it doesn't have any statistical relevance to the means there is no further.
Yeah.
So what the statistic subject will require, okay, why one babies, you should have the weight for the other babies also.
Yes, yes, yes.
યસ.
Means like this 10.5 is like one datum as they call it.
Yes.
Yeah,
But
it is
we
a-
are concerned always with the data.
ડેટા.
Means datum itself is like a
It is
point.
singular. Yeah,
it's
it's a
like a point which has zero area.
હા.
Yes.
Like in the TV screen.
Yes.
This picture is formed by
Minute
millions.
pixels.
Yeah.
Pixels.
Individually they don't exist like.
Yeah.
But they collectively form a beautiful picture.
Beautiful picture.
So here like 10.5 is like a point. So statistically 10.1 observation does nothing like. It has
Correct.
no significance, no relevance.
Absolutely right.
Even,
So,
even
yeah.
one more important point, sir. When we say about 10.5 pound is a weight of baby,
Yeah.
so how can you say that that baby is healthy?
Yeah, of course,
So
until
it is
unless you don't
based,
have-
हाँ,
yeah,
it
yeah.
is based on certain number of
Yeah,
records.
yeah.
That is why even the
Yes.
word like the statistics we say that.
Yes,
So
yes.
data is what? It is the
Data
plural
is-
of datum.
Yeah.
So statistics always means some mass in a way.
કરેક્ટ.
That massness may go beyond like it's relative.
ફાઇન.
But statistics is never the individual.
Yes.
So
Is
whenever
never.
you think of statistics, you have to think of some quantity of numbers. like-
Numbers. So that means quantity of numbers, that means data.
Yeah, data. Yeah.
So data and statistics, they are
exactly.
two together.
Two together.
Two
like,
together.
Yeah, yeah.
Because see, without data, statistics is a handicap.
Okay, right.
And data is also again handicap without statistics.
Exactly.
Right.
In fact, statistics word is used in replica of the data.
Yes, yes.
Like common people say that I have data regarding the number of students who failed in this exam.
Yeah.
So, but now people will say I have statistics with
Yes.
regard to the students who
Students.
failed in the exam. So the data, word, and the statistics, now they are becoming synonymous to each other. Like,
Sir, what is the difference? Say if we say statistics of the data and the information of the students who failed.
means the only difference could be made this, but data means like if anybody just write down the information, matlab,
Right.
like, so it's a rough format of the information.
So that means if I
But
have
when
only
I say statistics,
Haan.
means I have clearly defined motive, properly collected data, like, so means scientifically collected data is
Right.
what we can call the
so
statistics.
what I understood that if I have just a list of information, list of data that this Mr. XYZ, this many percentage,
So it is
YZW, this
information or
percentage.
data
Yes.
in form.
Yeah, this is a
But
format.
it is not
So
statistics.
it is not statistics.
Yes,
But
exactly.
if I analyze it using some
Or you can
techniques
say that
graphically,
the statistics in very rough or very like impure form, like in fact.
Correct.
But so we generally refer statistics means some classification is done, or at
Or-
least when the data is collected,
Hmm.
it is not collected like just haphazardly.
haphazardly.
Yes, yes.
Some methodology. is
Some
used.
methodology.
Okay.
So statistics, so the data which is born out of some systematic, some method oriented
Okay.
survey, and that we have
Survey.
got the
And
information.
then according to a particular variables we will tabularize them,
Exactly.
and then we try to analyze. So I
So,
think that is what is
yeah,
that,
yeah.
This is the whole process is I think singular word statistic.
Yeah. So in fact, so that's why when it came to define the statistics, so I many a time like when we read through, I counted at least 35 certified definitions are
Definitions.
available
Yes.
for this.
Okay.
And one nice thing that I found out is that when I was preparing for my today's lecture in morning, we very honestly say that as a student has to prepare, a good teacher is the one who come prepared.
Yes,
So I just want to convey this message to my
Correct.
student that do your homework in a way.
Right.
So in that I find that all these definitions were not given on a one year or one time. All these definitions has been given as the time goes
Time
on
goes
and on
on
and on.
and
Yeah,
on.
yeah.
Yes.
So
Absolutely.
actually, so
correct.
otherwise, like it is useless to keep. So in fact, during 1 year, when the probability theory was not at all in full fledged, the all definitions were not using the word probability and chances.
correct.
When the probability theory developed, then the statistic definition got the new words in it,
Correct.
estimates and probability, the chances in this way. So this way so the statistics being defined as the subject grew up in its
Grew up.
own way.
Correct.
And the like it's all definition if I discuss, then other topic will not be discussed. So finally that famous definition of statistics which was given by that Croxton and Gordon, which simply says that statistics is the collection of the data,
Yeah, right.
okay, and that collection, after collection you have to present the data.
Present the data. So
And
that
you
means
have to- yeah.
tabularize
Yeah,
tabulation of
tabularize,
the data.
presentation. So it is the collection, then presentation, and then some analysis is
Analysis
to be
of the
done.
data. Okay.
Some analysis is to be done, and with the analysis, some inference, some inference is to be drawn off, and mainly from the numerical
Numerical.
data.
But that technique what we use to take the inference about the from the data is I think it is called a plural sense statistics.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
It is, yeah.
So the best definition is that given by this, as I said, that it's the collection, okay, and then presentation, analysis, and inference drawn from the data. Yeah.
So that is what is the screen says, Chaudhary sir.
So it
what
is
it?
simply the art and science
Hmm.
of collecting, organizing,
Exactly.
and presenting data, drawing inference from a sample of information about the entire population, as well as prediction and policy analysis.
Yeah. So one
So
step beyond.
this,
Very good. Very
so
good.
This definition convey the full meaning of statistics.
Full meaning I think sir singular as well as plural statistics.
Yes.
Both it is giving.
It is a
It's
art
very
and
nicely,
science of
yes.
collecting. So even when we say science of collecting data, so how that art word attached?
So this arts and science, these two were very nicely picked up. In my college, we have arts and science, both
Yes,
the faculties, and we teach in both.
Yeah.
So when so many times when it comes, then how come it is? So I use these words, and in my simple understanding, I say statistics is an artistic science,
Yes.
and it is a scientific art.
Scientific art.
Yes.
So
Actually,
these two words
it
are
is
in
an
art
art
in
because-
fact, yeah.
Yes, See, because data collection is a very important part. When if I am doing a survey, because even though it is a part of research methodology,
Yeah.
but as a statistician, I must be aware that this is a very important part of when I am collecting data.
Right.
That when I must have some objective or hypothesis corresponding to that particular objective or hypothesis. We have prepared a list of questions and then we collect the data. So
Okay.
that is also again an art, that when you approach to an individual, that means how pure data you are getting.
In fact,
Right.
when you summarize everything, when you present your classified facts,
Huh.
it required that art. You can use
That
different
art, yeah,
colors.
yes,
You can
presentation.
use different format of putting. So
Even
the
after collecting presentation of data can be done by different graph, different chart, different colors, different patterns that we can
Exactly,
include,
yeah.
and then that way you can do.
So this is very important definition.
And then drawing inferences
Drawing inferences.
from a sample of information. So what, see, whole population study cannot be done.
Yeah.
So therefore we will take a part of it.
No,
we
if it
study-
can be done, it requires lots of
Lots of
manpower
time.
and
Right,
time and
right,
money,
right.
which we are always limited.
always
as such.
limited.
So it is infeasible in one way.
Correct, sir. So on the basis of sample information, we predict about the entire population, right? So we predict about the population as well as the policy analysis.
Exactly.
So for both the purpose, we can use these statistical techniques.
So even like that word, if the art, I give one example many a time, like the work of a statistician with his subject is a work of a poet in a way.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
The explanation is that a poet many a time will talk in his poetry with regard to very poor people whom nobody is there, like they are left from all. So he is describing that and similarly
Fact.
when a statistician collect the data, he will shout out and say, see, these many people are not having home to live, these many people are not having,
Not having.
fruit to eat, like.
Yes, yes.
So statistician and the poet both are standing there to raise the hand. See, look at these people.
Right.
So it's a way, it's a art in a sense that you are writing a poetry using the numbers in a way.
Using